Hello friends, in last video we had discussed about the form element and one line text works, but in this video we will learn how to add some labels to that text boxes because user need to know what information entering to that text box. Okay. Suppose we want to add first name for first text box and last name for second text box. Okay. So for first box we have to use label tag and there is an closing tag. Okay. Then comes to for attribute. For attribute specifies which form element a label is bounded. Suppose first name is our label, so for equal to within quotation first name. Then we have to put an text first name that display on a page. Okay. Now label tag providing the input and as well id attribute. Already we have created input attribute, then we have to create another attribute in input element, that is id attribute, and this id attribute's value is same as the for attribute, so id attribute is equal to first name. Okay, that's why it's merge these two together. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Look, we can see we got a first name label right here. Okay, in this way we can create an second label. Just copy and paste the source code for second label and just rename the first name to the last name. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. We can see last name label was added. Okay, suppose we want to add another text box and label that text box is password. Okay, so copy and paste the source code, but here we have to change a small thing, that is type equal to password. In last two label we have to enter type equal to text, but in password we have to enter type equal to password. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Look, password label was added. Then we have to add our details. Okay, I'll see you guys in next video.